Hello. स्टार्ट नहीं हो गया. Where it is? Okay. For 2 days I was not able to do stream. Okay, let's start. We were on binary search, I guess. Okay, here we are. I think we had done this kth element. Okay, I had done this median of two sorted array. Okay, for binary search. Okay, using two heaps is the method, and there is a method with binary search. Now we are going to do with kth element of two sorted array. Okay, let's start with kth element of two sorted array. Okay, so I have not done this before, so let's try this. Accuracy is 37.4, medium. Okay, submission is 3 lakh plus, and nothing but just like a previous one, we have to go for kth element. Now what are the possible ways? We just directly merge them, so the time complexity will be order of k. My first approach is I will just do the merge procedure up to kth time. I'll have a counter, or I'll have that index. Okay, and the time complexity will be order of 1. The brute force coming in my mind is this: order of k and order of 1, because for example we have 2, 3, 6, 7, and we have 1, 4, 8 and 10. I'll one pointer for 2, one pointer for 1, and there is a counter how many element I have processed. So I'll see. Okay, for we have 2, I have if k key value is greater than, if k's value is greater than this, the sum of these two value. For example, I am here and the second pointer is here. Total element is in current processing is 2, and for example if k is 3, means we will not find our required value inside these, so I'll go for next. So I will see, okay, which one is smaller. 1 is smaller, so I'll increment. I will like roll forward the point, which I will roll forward the pointer that is smaller, that contain smaller value. 1 is smaller, so I will increment this pointer, and it will point 4, and my old second pointer in that above array, it will point to 2. For example, I have to find k's value 3. So what will be that k's value? I have processed one element. Okay, now I am at 2 and 4, and the number of element that I am going to processing is 3. Okay, that is 3. Okay, and I have to find k's value is 3. Okay, the value of k is 3. So the element that we are looking for will be either 2 or will be either 4. Then we are going for like which element. It's like it will be the maximum of these two, because the total element are 3 and we have these two position. So if we put into the sorted order, the value which is bigger will be at last, and these are total k value. That means kth value will be at last pointer. So when I am going for k, that is equals to the number of element that I am going to process, so I will return the maximum of the both pointer. Okay, if any one of the pointer will get like finished, for example 2 is finished there, so I am going to process only this array, and still the value will be maximum of these two. This is brute force, and it is quite optimal because order of 1 space and order of k. Now we are going to optimize it, and we are going for log n. We are going for log because their expected complexity is log of minimum of a comma b. Okay, we have to go for it. So I need to go, I think. I have solved the median of these two elements, where median will be k. K will be the we will call that function for median of two sorted element will be the special case for this problem. If we put k is equals to half of the element, then the question will become the median of two array. Now I have to find the same kth element. So in median we are processing the half elements. Okay? Here we will process the kth element up to k element. So we will have two pointer. I will have two pointer, that 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 6, 5, 7, 9, 10. We will have two pointer. If I am taking the element 1 from here, then I will take I have to make the total element, total set will be of size k. I have to make the k size element. So if I am taking one element from there, then I have to take like n minus k minus 1, that will be, for example, k minus 1 element from the other set. Then I am checking, okay, if this distribution, or if it this partition is valid. If the partition is valid, then my element either from these two partition. Okay, either it can be this or it can be this. Okay, for kth element, let us try it. So we have, okay, if a dot size is lesser than b dot size,